Srkcycles.com with a 2007 Harley Davidson FLHT. That is the Electroglide standard. No tour pack, and it did not come with a radio. That's how they come from the factory. This one needs cleaned up pretty good, but let's see how it runs. So when these things came from the factory, they came with no radios. They came, they're a little pouch in here. Now someone put a radio in it, but I don't have the faceplate for it. So you have to put another radio in it. This bike only has 40,000 miles on it. And the front brake pulls back pretty far. A little spongy. There's probably some air in the line. So I have to kind of like 4-finger brake it. Just to let you know. So that probably needs bled. It's an 07, so it's a 6-speed, and it's a 96 cubic inch motor. It's a lot of bike. It's very similar to the Srkcycles. And I think I'm gonna list it for $6,000, which is dirt cheap. Dirt cheap for a 96 cubic inch 2007 6-speed Harley Davidson. That's black. It looks pretty good. Needs a little bit of love, but I'm gonna go. Thank you, ma'am. Bang through the gears a little bit. I think we're in 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. There's that good old 6-speed. You see the 6-speed light pops up on there? Beautiful autumn day. I don't need to be in 6-speed right now. Just showing you guys how good this bike runs. Voltage looks good. Fuel gauge appears to be working. Tachometer, speedometer works. The cool thing about this is you can put whatever stereo in it you want to. It's all up to you. Building a house, that's cool. These are great bikes. You can get the FLHTs for cheap. It's just like the Electroglide Classic, except it just doesn't have the tour pack and doesn't come with a radio. And the engine's painted a different color. Other than that, same bike. No big difference. Same engine, same transmission, same front fairing. All that good. It also doesn't have these the gauges that go down here. You can put your own thing right there. LED screen. Something you gotta watch for when in the rain is leaves. Riding over wet leaves can kind of be a little bit horrifying. I was gonna turn around, but rule of thumb, on a wet, fairly coldish day, you're gonna have pretty bad traction. But if you don't make any sharp, sudden movements, turns, acceleration, you'll probably be fine. If not, you just slide. Everything's smoother when it's wet, so you'll just slide a little bit farther. You probably won't get torn up as bad. But if I was going through like I would be very cautious to have to turn on a bunch of wet leaves, because your bike tires on the leaf's on the asphalt, and stuff's just slipping around. It'd be kind of scary. This bike runs good. It doesn't motor mounts feel good. It's not vibrating excessively. It accelerates good. It looks good. It's definitely this bike has a lot of potential. Or just hop on and ride the way it is. Who cares? It's fun. Guys, we ship bikes all over the country. Never had a dissatisfied customer. eBay score is perfect. I got a lot of reviews. We sell over 30 bikes a month. And we're having a lot of fun doing it, guys. Check out our videos if you want to know more about us. And just more about seeing our test drives. Alright guys, check out the walk around video for this specific bike. And we'll see you guys later. Remember, I'm Sean signing out. And remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. See you guys later.